Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're at the Apotek Speakeasy, where they claim to be the pioneers of the Caribbean cocktail scene, inspiring others to create the classic and experimental art of the cocktail. Apotek serves authentic remedy cocktails in Aruba's only speakeasy, where they are tucked away in a historic building somewhere in Oranjestead, Aruba. In case you were wondering, a speakeasy is a place where alcoholic beverages are illegally sold, especially such establishments in the United States during Prohibition. In more recent years, the term has also applied to legal bars that are modeled on historical speakeasies. The modern day speakeasy is essentially just a bar meant to be shrouded in secrecy. Since alcohol is no longer illegal, these establishments hinge on the feeling of discreetness, often hidden inside other restaurants or other venues, and embodying the prohibition vibe, some with dim lighting, like the one shown here in this video. So, about Apotek itself, I can tell you that the vibe was nice, the service was great, the drinks that we had were very tasty. Unfortunately, I didn't take notes and I don't remember what we had, but I can tell you that we enjoyed it. And if you're staying on Palm Beach or Eagle Beach, I would say it's probably it was about a 15-minute taxi ride. It cost us about $30 USD each way for six of us, which isn't bad for that amount of people, in my opinion. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy.